You are going to love the 2020 Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, dual moonroof, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.